Hello YouTube. Sorry, my throat made a weird sound. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for airsoft. I'm not gonna show you guys any guns yet. I'll show them in my next video. But here's some of my guns, my accessory stuff. My airsoft boots. They're used for like skirmishes and stuff like that. Then I got my desert camo fanny pack in this pocket. I have a speed loader. If you don't know how to use a speed loader, it goes up like that. Then you could just push the button down. The bees come out of here. Then if you accidentally pull it out, tip it up like this, then shake it. Then you can push it in. Then lock it. You hit the button. I'm recording with my webcam from my camera, so that's why it's kind of bad. You can't see. Then I have an extra laser. My extra laser right here. Sorry, sorry. But it's just extra for my new airsoft gun coming in. It's the AIRSOFT RIS guys, whatever, M4, 250 FPS. This is the only gun I'm showing right now. It's kind of stupid. I got BB stuck in it, but it came with the free giveaway from Hobby Shop. The mag gives it all its weight. I mean, this thing, you can throw it so far. It's just stupid. But it's back up in case my gun breaks. Got a gift card. That's also right there. Now, some stuff in my backpack. I got some targets to shoot at. My close quarter battle sweatshirt. It's really good. You don't feel anything. Oh yeah, then I got my good luck charm. What's in here? I got some gloves for shooting in case I get shot in the hand. There's some cheap gloves. Just if I get shot in the hand, it won't hurt as much. I mean, I'm not scared of pain. I actually kind of laugh at it. You ask my sister. Then here's my airsoft hat in case I get shot in the head. It's my South Pole hat. So, yeah, I think that's my hair though. Oh yeah. Then I got my backup, my LED flashlight. It's really great. I didn't mean to blind you guys. Then I just got some backup 12 gram BBs. I needed to get 20 gram, but I just got 10,000 12 grams. I just got backup in here. But that's all I have, I guess. So, yeah. So, bye YouTube.